What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and I'm very excited for today's video because it's been a long time coming. We are going to be replacing the exhaust on the Yamaha R3. Now, the exhaust on this bike is genuinely the worst thing about this bike. It honestly sounds like a lawnmower, as you can tell from that opening clip. So it's not aggressive at all and makes it not as fun as it could be to ride. So we're going to be replacing it today with the Akrapovic slip-on exhaust. I got this for around $400. I went with the Akrapovic just because it's a pretty well-known brand. You know, I wanted something reliable, and I decided to do a slip-on as compared to a full-on exhaust system, just because more so convenience. And you know, I don't plan on having this bike forever. I do plan on getting a bigger bike down the line, so I just wanted something to hold me over until then. And you know, this is about half the price of a full-on exhaust system and should do the job just fine. And so yeah, also one thing to note is, you know, I'm in California. These are not California legal, but you know, we're going to be using this for track purposes only. So yeah, that's another thing. If you do a slip-on or a full-on exhaust system, that makes it even more of a greater chance of, you know, getting pulled over and yeah, dealing with all that hassle. So yeah, let's go ahead and install this, and then we will see how it sounds. I'm excited. Let's do this. All right, guys, there she is. Akrapovic slip-on exhaust installed. Wasn't too bad of an install, but yeah, just first impressions from how it looks. It looks so much better than the last one. I mean, the muffler, the stock muffler on this bike is just such an eyesore, and it was gigantic. So this exhaust gives it a much slimmer look. The titanium looks amazing as well, and just makes the bike overall look a lot more clean. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up a little bit with some WD-40 just to make sure our fingerprints don't get burned onto the exhaust, and then we're gonna go on a little ride and see how she sounds. All right, guys, we're back, we're geared up, and we're gonna do the first official start with the Akrapovic slip-on exhaust. So without further ado, let's see how it sounds. Oh wow. Yes, this is what we needed. It sounds so much beefier. Way better. Nice. Hell yeah. I'm so excited to take this on a ride. So now that we got the first start, honestly, volume wise, it's not like, obviously being a slip-on exhaust, it's not going to raise the volume drastically, is that a word? No, drastically. But honestly, like, just the tone is so much deeper and so much aggressive that I honestly love it. And that's what we're looking for with this exhaust. So yeah, let's go on a little ride and see how it sounds while we're riding. Alright guys, let's put this exhaust to the test. Oh my god. Even wearing earplugs right now, this thing sounds like a beast. I think this is the best thing we could have done for this bike. And we haven't even made it past second gear. Even at idle, like at a red light, it just sounds way beefier. We just gotta get it going a little bit. I want to see how it sounds at the higher RPMs. Oh yeah. She sounds amazing. There we go, we can stop the review now. Get it? It's a mandatory mod. Just kidding, we'll ride it a little more. This is gonna make me want to ride even more so than I already wanted to. Oh yes, she's screaming. At least as loud as an R3 can scream, but she sounds really amazing. Even the downshifts, oh. This was a much needed mod. But yeah, honestly, like, for how cheap a slip-on exhaust compared to a full-on exhaust system, especially if you don't expect to keep the bike long-term like I am, like, honestly the slip-on is the way to go. Also, like, some states, you know, don't allow exhaust systems. Like even California, technically I can't rock this one, but it's okay, we're using it for track purposes only, obviously, right? And you know, even though it sounds really good, it's still an R3. It's a 300cc bike at the end of the day. It's nothing, and it's not going to sound like a, you know, like a R1. But that's why I don't feel the need to spend crazy amounts of money on an exhaust for a 300cc bike. You know, I'd rather just wait till I have a faster bike. But I'm willing to spend $300 to $400 for a little, honestly, for a big boost in sound quality on the exhaust. Gonna sneak my way onto this highway. Changed my mind on where I wanted to ride. There's too much traffic on the streets, so we're going highway, and we can see how she sounds on the highway. It probably won't sound too crazy, obviously, because, like, you know, we'll just be cruising in one gear, but still check it out. And we'll probably head towards PCH, because why not? It's my favorite road to ride on. It's a beautiful sunny day as well. almost got like a little burbly sound to it when you let go of the throttle and it starts coming down, and when it's in the lower RPMs at least. But man, yeah, it sounds so good. So much more volume, at least. Like my roommate was making fun of my bike because he says like he saw me ride away one time and he didn't hear anything. So honestly, hopefully now the bike has a little volume to it. And honestly, having volume on a bike or just a loud exhaust is honestly safer as a new rider as well, because you know, one of the dangers of riding a motorcycle is most people just don't see you a lot of the time. So if they don't see you, at least they can hear you, you know, if you have a loud bike. So that's another main reason I would suggest that an exhaust is honestly a crucial mod, not only for fun but for safety as well. Little tunnel here, let's see. Nice. She still got a bit of volume, even at highway speeds. It's pretty solid. Wow, I'm so happy with this mod. But I mean, it's pretty much all there is to talk about. Good mod, buy, would recommend. Makes the fun, way more loud. Gives it such a nice and beefy tone that this bike desperately needs. This bike comes, I think, way too quiet, stock. It's almost like a safety hazard, like I said, because if people can't hear you, they can't see you. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it for this video. I would highly recommend getting one of these Akrapovic. Oh my god, something just hit my bike. That's okay, it was just something small. But yeah, Akrapovic exhaust, very well made. But I hope you guys like the sound of the sound comparison. I'm not sure how it's gonna sound through video, but all I can say is in person is that there's a way different tone and very much a big sound improvement overall. But yeah, nonetheless, if you guys like this mod on this bike, or if you like motorcycles in general, please leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Leave a comment as well if you have any questions. But yeah, I will catch you guys in the next video. So thank you for watching again, and peace out.